Infinix is known for offering bang-for-the-buck smartphones, but not just any smartphone, these are mostly gaming phones, and our review of the Infinix Hot 20S proves just that. You might want to check that out, so just head over to our website and you'll see it there. But what we have here is the company's newest affordable gaming smartphone, the Infinix Note 35G. It comes with impressive hardware and software to aim and deliver powerful performance for gaming and other daily tasks. I'm Kevin, welcome back to the channel, and for this video, we'll see how this phone at less than 10,000 pesos can keep up as a daily driver and for gaming on the go. Before we dive into the device itself, let's do a quick unboxing to just see what's inside the package. Now, just by looking at the box itself, there's no denying that this is a gaming phone, and it's a special collaboration between Infinix and Mobile Legends. As you can see, there's Mia right there, right on the center, and you have that MPL logo right there, which stands for Mobile Legends Professional League. And towards the bottom here, you can see the chipset that it's running. It says D6085G, which promises ultra-fast gameplay. And down here, you can see that it comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Turning it around, you can see the rest of its key features and key specs. It comes with a 45-watt all-around fast charge with 5,000 mAh of mega battery, 6.78 Full HD Plus eye care display with 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, Dimensity 6085G processor, which we just mentioned, dual speakers, 108 megapixel camera, and up to 16 gigabytes of extended RAM. Now let's open this box and see what's inside. So it comes in this slide out outer cover right here, and then we're introduced to the main box itself. You can see right here that it has sound by JBL, and again the 45-watt all-around fast charge. Removing this lid, and we're welcomed with the device itself. We're just gonna set it aside right here first and continue digging through the box. So right here we have a couple of papers for warranty, and we also get this special rubber case that comes with this kind of big logo for MPL, and you see the Infinix and MPL logo down here, and it automatically gives you that gamer vibe look once you slap it on the device. It also comes with an extra screen protector right there, and you even get an instruction, of course, how to install and replace the screen protector. So it's all here. Now what's left inside the box is this USB-C cable and of course the 45-watt power brick. Let's now pull out the phone from this plastic wrap, and here we go. Nice. As you can see, it doesn't look much of a gaming phone with this kind of gradient finish on the back, but let's quickly try to put on the Mobile Legends themed case. So here you go. We've seen everything that's inside the box. Let's now see what it offers and how it fares on a daily basis. Now, being a gaming phone, display is important as it mostly dictates how you're going to consume content. The Infinix Note 35G has you covered nicely in this department as it comes with a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display. And accompanying this large display is a 120Hz refresh rate, which is really nice since this feature is usually seen on higher-end phones and not on sub-10,000 devices. With it, viewing content on social media platforms is smooth and navigating the UI is very responsive. Of course, games that support higher refresh rates benefit you, the user, greatly since movements are fluid, which is just a treat to the eyes. And speaking of our eyes, the display also comes with an eye care technology so that visual fatigue is kept to a minimum. This allows you to enjoy gaming or simply using the phone for longer periods of time without adding too much stress on your eyes. But of course, as a quick reminder, it's always healthy to give your eyes a break from time to time while gaming. Accompanying its immersive display is a set of dual speakers with JBL sound. I especially appreciate phones with dual speakers as it's easily a lot better than having a single firing one. The Note 30's sound is balanced, more natural, and with JBL's audio technology, sounds more detailed and clear in addition to providing enough volume for solo consumption. Additionally, the high-res audio support ensures that you can enjoy high-fidelity audio while gaming, further enhancing the overall experience. As for the rest of the phone, we got the interstellar blue color, and the back panel has this matte gradient finish that changes color from blue to green to orange depending on how light hits it. If you do feel like going for a more gamer look, you can easily slap on its included phone case that's customized with this Mobile Legends Professional League theme. Now let's get to its performance for gaming and day-to-day usage. The Infinix Note 35G is equipped with a 5G Dimensity 6080 processor, providing fast connectivity and processing power. During our time, it was evident that this chip delivers seamless multitasking and smooth gaming performance. We played Mobile Legends on it, and winning matches is easy since there are no lags that affect gameplay. We also had no problems with its touch response, and its high refresh rate made the game all the more enjoyable. We also ran other games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact, which is a resource-intensive game. You can even crank it up to its highest settings, and what I do is just turn off motion blur to make it easier on the phone. And what you get are detailed graphics and smooth gameplay throughout. Paired with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 16GB, the device delivers impressive performance for heavier games. This additional RAM allows for faster app loading times and smoother gameplay that can give players a competitive edge. Plus, with 256GB of onboard storage, the Infinix Note 35G offers ample space to store your favorite games, media, and apps. This basically means that the spacious storage capacity makes sure that you can have a vast gaming library right at your fingertips. On the other hand, its 5G connectivity ensures that you can enjoy low latency gaming, seamless online multiplayer experiences, and quick downloads for new games and updates. Now, the Infinix Note 35G isn't built solely for gaming. It's equipped with a 108-megapixel triple camera setup, and this camera system allows you to capture detailed photos and videos, including your gaming achievements and other memorable moments. The high-resolution sensor is configured to ensure sharpness and clarity, while the additional camera features provide versatility for different photography scenarios. What I specifically liked about the photos captured was the colors were vibrant enough but not overly saturated. Colors are close to how they appear in real life, and for me, this beats phones that go overboard with vibrance and saturation. A gaming phone needs a battery that can keep up with all the demands of its users, especially during continuous usage. You wouldn't want to be at the heat of the game and find your phone gasping for battery. That's a big nope. With the Note 35G's 5000 mAh capacity, we were able to browse the internet, spend time on our social media pages, and run games for extended periods of time, and the phone usually lasted for one whole day of heavy use, minimizing the need for frequent charging. The 45-watt charging technology enables rapid charging, shaving off downtime and allowing you to get back into the game quickly. The Infinix Note 35G is an exceptional smartphone for mobile gaming enthusiasts. With its powerful 5G Dimensity 6080 processor, extended RAM, ample storage, and long-lasting battery, it offers a smooth gaming experience. On the other hand, its eye care display with a dynamic refresh rate coupled with JBL sound and high-res audio provide an immersive audio-visual experience. Additionally, the device's 108-megapixel triple camera allows for capturing gaming moments with undeniable clarity. But providing the mentioned features aren't enough for Infinix. The kicker here is that all those offerings and performances are all wrapped up with a sub 10,000 peso price tag. So if you're looking for a smartphone that combines top-tier gaming performance with cutting-edge features, the Infinix Note 35G is without a doubt a device worth considering. Its impressive specifications and focus on gaming make it a standout option in today's market. So that pretty much sums up our video on the Infinix Note 35G. Let us know what you think about this gaming phone down in the comments. As always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.